Brussels now, and Brussels is in Belgium, and I am. Belgium is the capital of Europe, and can you believe that there's still a king in Brussels? There's a guard there that is standing like a statue. It looks like it's a statue, but it's not. And the Belgian flag is there. We went for a walk in the city center and saw all sorts of yummy chocolates. Belgium is super famous for its chocolates. We love the art galleries with some of our favorite characters. For example, Snoopy, Pikachu, and Mario Bros, and much more. We went to have mussels, which is a typical dish in Belgium. Look at my brother's technique. Hi guys, I'm on the heart of Brussels Grand Platz, and it's very nice because it's all golden. And there is the city hall. When any Belgian athlete wins or does well in the Olympics, the World Cup, they come there and say hi to the crowd over here. That's the flag of Brussels.
You have a sticker of Wonder Woman.
Yes, this is a super famous mannequin piece. The boy who's having the longest pee in the world. We have a lot of nature and green in Belgium, and we always run out to explore with the sun, but even in the rain. Here is a cute swan coming to eat from us. This is me climbing a tree with my cousin. We went in a forest. It was beautiful there. But now let me take you to my cousin's school party.